Coffee Cake Supreme recipe irresistibly delicious. Hey, foodies, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we've got a treat for you, the Coffee Cake Supreme. This moist and flavorful coffee cake is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or anytime you're in the mood for a sweet pick-me-up. So, grab your apron and let's get baking. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, packed, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup sour cream, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. For the streusel topping: 1 cup chopped pecans or walnuts, 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. For the glaze: 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a bundt pan. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the sour cream. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. In a small bowl, mix together the streusel topping ingredients, chopped nuts, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Pour half of the batter into the prepared bundt pan. Sprinkle half of the streusel mixture over the batter. Repeat with the remaining batter and streusel. Use a knife to swirl the streusel through the batter, creating a marbled effect. Bake in the preheated oven for 50-60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 15 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. In a small bowl, whisk together the glaze ingredients until smooth. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled coffee cake. Slice, serve, and enjoy your coffee cake supreme with a cup of your favorite coffee or tea. And there you have it, a coffee cake supreme that's sure to impress your taste buds. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious content, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.